A heartfelt welcome to Vivoterra here and now. I'm a naturopath in Switzerland and author of numerous books, and my most important book is the Immunology book with more than 900 pages. It's an amazing book. It's fantastic. It's 2.5 kgs. It's called the treasure trove of knowledge, the gate to the universe. It has so much knowledge, call it nature knowledge. It's a magical compass to understand the order in the universe, or so-called the laws of nature. So I got so many questions over the years, so many people. And one question is, what is the difference between intuition, the true difference between intuition and instinct? So, do you place intuition and instinct above consciousness? So, do you place intuition and instinct above consciousness? And my answer to this question is no, I don't put anything above consciousness. And intuition and instinct is not the same. Intuition stands above instinct hierarchically. Instinct is comparatively more yang and intuition is comparatively more yin. What does that mean? Explain that in my book. Everybody, this is like, it's so famous like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is unhealthy. The laws of nature are healthy. Okay, so yang represents the centripetal force and contraction, or compared to yin, all the physical manifestation in our world. And yin represents the centrifugal force, or the expansion. And to visualize this, this is yang, contraction, the physical things, and this is yin, okay, the metaphysical things. Like to know, to say, or to better understand, our body is yang, physical, our physical body, compared to our spiritual body, to our spirit, to our soul, to our, this is more yin. Okay, so again, instinct is comparatively more yang. It's closer to the physical part. And intuition is more yin, it's closer to the spiritual body. It's closer to the metaphysical world. Both is in the metaphysical world, but to compare it, to understand what it is. So instinct are innate skills that we need to ensure our survival. If we are in danger, we flee. If you encounter a wild bear, you neither think long about the danger nor ask your intuition how to best assess the situation. You don't do that. You simply back away, of course. So this means that instinct always have something to do with stress, and stress compared to relaxing is more yang. So stress is more yang and relaxing is more yin. Like the day is yang and night is yin. Okay, relaxing. Okay, the day is yang, it's more yang, and the night, relaxing, sleeping, working is yang, and sleeping and so relaxing is more yin. It's very important to understand these natural laws. Okay, so this means that instinct always has something to do with stress. The reactions to this, therefore, are therefore very simple as well. Either run away or strike back or remain frozen in a state of fear. So, and many people think that instinct and intuition are the same. We can only perceive our intuition when we are not under stress. When we are not under stress. Now think about that for a second, or for a minute, or whatever. What do you think? Most of the people today, their life is like full of stress. It's like 100% stress. Their life is stress. And most of the people don't even know about the so important intuition. So that means if you are under stress the whole time, and most people are, as we can see, especially for the last 2 years and for the long time ago, but it's especially for the last 2 years, people are realizing it now. What is going on? This is the matrix. Okay, telling it for years. Okay, so that means if you are under stress the whole time, you are not able to develop intuition because you are under stress the whole time, all the time under stress. It's important to relax. It's important to relax, to breathe, to understand intuition. So only then can our gut think when we relax. This is like our gut feeling. So only then can our gut think about what to do in peace. Or better to say, you cannot feel peace and freedom and intuition if you are under stress. And it has a reason, the matrix, why it is how it is today. So while our instincts follow an evolutionary pattern of survival, our intuition grows with our life experience, thus becoming greater and clearer over time. This makes it an unconsciousness treasure of knowledge. But think about that. Most of the people out there are not even able to think about intuition. And most of the people out there, they don't talk about intuition. They are just under stress the whole time. This is not only unhealthy, but it leads to sickness and to a unconscious life. Intuition is very, very important to develop, to understand, to feel, and to develop intuition. So, yeah, very interesting. So, yeah, please follow my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. All the best, remain in peace until the next Here and Now.